Hi everyone, this is Melody from Be Green Monkey. Today we're going to show you a simple morning workout routine that can leave you feeling very refreshed and energized. Right now it's about 6:30 in the morning. This workout is really easy to follow. You can do it at home, no equipment's required apart from the backpack, and you'll find out why. This workout is about 8 minutes in total. It will target all your muscles, so there are in total 8 exercises, 4 for your upper body and 4 for your lower body. Within each minute, there are 45 seconds for you to finish the exercise and 15 seconds for you to rest, plus get ready for the next exercise. All right, let's go wake up Elmo.
Next time we have a real earthquake, I'm not waking up. Morning guys, let's get started. Starting off with push-ups. So when doing push-ups, make sure that your elbows are slightly tucked in. So this is not a good position for your shoulders. You want to have your elbows slightly tucked in and do your push-ups. When doing push-ups, if these are difficult for you, you can always come on your knees and do them on your knees. The next exercise we are doing is for our back. It is reverse snow angels. Alright guys, so now we are doing abs. Shoulder to knee crunches. So here you are trying to hit your shoulder to your knee. That's what you are going for. Once again, 45 seconds. Keep going. This is a workout for abs and trains your upper abs, lower abs, obliques, everything. Alright, our next exercise, we are using a backpack and we are doing biceps. Simple bicep curls. About 20 seconds, just over 20 seconds for each arm. When you're curling, make sure you're doing a full range of motion. So your arms straighten out and come all the way up. Doing a full range of motion is critical, and as the weeks progress, you can start with almost an empty backpack and then increase the weight slowly and slowly. Alright, on to legs. Our first exercise for legs is just going to be basic squats. They work your quads, which are the front part of the legs, and let's get started. 45 seconds for squats. Unless you have knee troubles, you don't really have to worry about your knee positioning all too much. Just make sure as your foot is 100% on the ground and it's not, your heels are not lifting. This is not good, and this is not good either. You want to be in 100% contact with the floor. Alternating stiff leg deadlift. These are for our hamstrings or the back portion of our upper legs. When doing these exercises, make sure that your back is arched. Let's get started. So your legs are almost straight and you're keeping your back arched, which means that you're not rounding your back like this. Because otherwise what you end up doing is using your lower back for the workout when we are doing it for hamstrings. So you want to keep your back arched. Next one is calves, the lower back portion of your legs. We're just going to do basic standing calves, but if you had stairs, it would be a bit better to do it there. But here's the exercise. For 45 seconds, just going all the way up and contracting your calves. Once again, you have 45 seconds to do as many rounds as you can. If you need to rest, feel free to rest in between. The whole idea is to do as many of these repetitions as you can within 45 seconds. Alright, so final exercise, number 8 exercise is for glutes, and that is hip thrust. You will need to go back on your mat. So for this motion, we are bringing your ass up and you're really contracting all the posterior muscles that you have in your hamstrings and your ass and bringing it back down. This is a great builder of the actual glute muscles. Make sure you go as high as you can. Alright. So that is your 8 exercises which make up a full 8-minute circuit. To start off, if you're not used to exercising, maybe just do one circuit for the first week and then slowly maybe start doing multiple circuits. You can do these 8 exercises for 8 minutes, take a rest for 2 minutes, and start again. Maybe do it 2 times, 3 times, and that's a great start to the morning. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.
Hey guys.
Hello.
So we are here at Terry Fox Run in London, Ontario. In the morning, you would have noticed that I was looking a bit puffy. That is because we have an exciting news. Soon we will be traveling for about 2 years, starting in October. And I'm just starting to put on some fat, just so I have some cushion on the road in case I am not able to maintain my diet well. Hey, beautiful.
Hey, handsome.
Alright, so we are done with our run. Terry Fox, more of a walk, really.
5K.
5K walk. That's something.
I just want to say that before we leave Canada, this is one of the very rare cases towards the end of our preparation for us to really go out and enjoy everything we have here in Canada. So I felt really nice and appreciative because I feel, people are so friendly and people are so passionate. And just look at the sky, it's so beautiful.
No pollution at all.
No pollution. So
Very
peaceful.
little.
So yeah, I like Canada. Yeah.
We're gonna miss Canada.
We will.
We will miss Canada. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like if you like it. If you would like us to post more content which is less edited and more informal, please do let us know as well. But apart from that, leave a comment if you have a topic that you would like us to cover in future. But apart from that, we will see you next time. Bye bye.
Ciao.